Hi, my name is Brianna Swafford, and I am going to be talking about renewable versus non-renewable resources. Okay, so what is a resource? A resource is a material or source that can be used to produce something else, such as electricity. There are two types of resources, renewable and non-renewable. But what's the difference between the two? Renewable resources. What is a renewable resource? It is a source that can be replaced quickly, which means during a person's lifetime. Renewable resources do not run out. They are cleaner and safer to use than non-renewable resources, and this allows for them to be cheaper to use in the long run. Examples of renewable resources. The first one is wind, and we can use wind to turn turbines to create energy. The next one is the sun, and we can use solar panels to absorb the heat from the sun and convert it into energy. And the last one is water, and we can use hydropower plants, and water wheels used to be used to where the water will turn a wheel to create electricity and energy. Non-renewable resources. What is a non-renewable resource? It is a resource that cannot be replaced quickly or during a person's lifetime. Non-renewable resources can run out and not be replenished for people to use them. It can take millions of years for a non-renewable resource to form. Non-renewable resources are more harmful to the environment than renewable resources. They produce harmful particles and chemicals that get released into the environment when they are used or burned. Examples of non-renewable resources. Oil that can be drilled up from the ground. Nuclear power, which can be very harmful, and it produces harmful chemicals that are released into the air and atmosphere and the particles they release. And coal, which gives off harmful particles whenever it's burned and can lead to global warming. Alright, and that's it. Good luck on the test. Hope this helped.